Happy Saturday, April the 4th. I was about said, May the 4th be with you, but that's May. It's April. This is what we're working with today in Greenville. 56 degrees and will not stop raining. Look at all that rain coming down. Just left Starbucks. Got us a piping hot caffeinated beverage. Sugar-free vanilla latte with oat milk. Not decaf. Yours is decaffeinated? What'd you get?
Coffee.
Did you get an Americana?
Decaf plates, please. Coffee.
Not Americana.
Nope.
He's trying to cut down on coffee. Me, on the other hand, I'll drink it all day long. So yeah, tons of fun in Michigan today. It's been raining for days, it seems like. Pretty soon we're going to be under a flood warning.
Thank God our neighbors got the work.
Our neighbor's got a ark? Who?
That boat.
Yeah, he does. We're on our way to some stores. We're gonna get our kids, our adult children, some adult Easter baskets with supplies that they need. I've been wanting to do this for years, and I don't do it because it costs so much money, but I feel like I need to do it. Do it at least one time. It'll be fun. Hopefully they appreciate it. Look at all that water out there. I haven't seen that much water in that pond in a long, long time. I didn't meet my goal today to get a video out there, so I do truly apologize for that. But it's Easter, so it's a busy weekend. I hope you all have a fantastic Easter weekend. I hope you get some time to spend some time with your family, get to church, spend some time with Jesus, and remember what the season's really there for. Jesus is the reason for the season. There's a little bird up there just hanging on the power lines. But yeah, it rained almost all day today. It was pretty gloomy here in Michigan. I got some adult Easter baskets for my kids, so I'm pretty excited about that. I've always wanted to do like an Easter basket for my kids as they've gotten older, but I've never really did it just because, I mean, I'm poor and I don't have a lot of money. So I spent some time doing that today. I literally got them a laundry basket and just filled it with different things. Ashwagandha, positive energy tea, tons of Quest protein chips, toothpaste. There's a toothbrush down in there. My son's got some socks, some body wash, some Skinny Pop, you name it. So just little soap, got them laundry soap, things like that, things that they'll need and use as adults. There's the laundry soap down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I got some sensitive skin stuff. I got some Method shampoo and conditioner for my son. Same thing with my daughter, lots of Quest chips. They're protein, majority protein, so they're very, very good. There's some ranch, some loaded taco, chili sweet, or spicy sweet chili. She cleans her house with vinegar, So I got her vinegar. And I even got him fun little stuff like this. Remember this? Come on, Kanka, get back. This Big League Chew. I got him fun old candy like that. Twix bar. I know that's not very healthy. Turtles. I got her some softener, laundry softener, soaps down there, you name it, Skinny Pop, deodorant. I got them both deodorant. Can always use that stuff, so I'm pretty excited about it. Some adult children baskets, worked on that today. Stuff they can use, you know? Just because they're grown doesn't mean that they don't get presents anymore, so I think that's pretty cool, and I'm pretty excited to do it. So again, happy Easter, guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and hopefully I'll have some time tomorrow to get on and make a vlog on Easter. So yeah, happy Saturday. Have a fantastic day. Sorry I didn't get on much, or my video isn't as long as normal. I do apologize, but like I said earlier, it's Easter weekend, and I wanted to do something fun for my kids. My son's 28. Gosh, I don't even remember. I'm getting so old. I feel like my son's 28. Let me do the math here. I'll do that. Because when you get old, you forget a lot of things. So it's 2026, and he was born in 1996. Nuh-uh. He'll be 30 this year. Holy moly, where's the time go? And then my daughter will be 24 this year. Oh my gosh, time's a thief, guys. Seriously. But remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. He went through a lot, endured so much for us. So just remember that, and you have yourselves a fantastic Easter weekend. Yeah, that's how much rain we got. That pond has not been that filled in years. Tons and tons of water down there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share the video out, like the video, turn on the notifications so when I do post a video, you guys will know. Happy Saturday, guys. Happy April 4th.